Hello viewers, let's have a quick chat about the Ferguson, bit of an update on it. These are the scan coils from the tube that I took out of the Alba, and you'll notice that there are a number of correction magnets placed into the scan coils, which was something that on those later tubes you would actually see quite a lot of because they weren't engineered to the same standards as tubes of yesteryear, let's say. So here is said Ferguson. It is all in one piece. The new tube is in there with the Ferguson scan coils, and after this short announcement I'll show you a video of how the picture is looking. It's not great, but it's a start. The main thing is the tube actually works. It is pin compatible and it hasn't caught fire or blown up or anything like that, which it wouldn't do anyway. It would just short internally if it was going to pop off. But it works and you get a full picture, even though the picture is full of purity errors. But that, I believe, is to do with the fact that I don't have these purity magnets over on the Ferguson coils. So we'll need to rectify that, and that's going to be the next step. So, there we go. That is an update on that, and we will be revisiting that one very soon, probably over Christmas. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and enjoy the video coming up, which shows how the television is at the moment. A little play with the purity rings has lined this up a lot better, so I'll lock that down in a minute. This concern over here with this being slightly blue, I think that's more magnetic interference on the tube, so that might be the scan coils need to be shifted a little bit. They are, as far as I can tell, centre, but they might need to come over, I guess, that way a little bit, but those are pretty much there. I need to screw that back in when the set's off, but that is looking better than it was. I still don't have colour. It seems to want to have colour for a bit, and then, I mean, that's the white raster, can't really tell, but it does look quite white, apart from this side, which is blue, white, and then, I don't know, yellowish. But the colour bars are still not colour, although I found that's full output on that. That's about there. If I tune this slightly, there are sudden points where it will burst into colour and then it won't. So yeah, there's that. Better than it was. I think I'm getting there with it, but still needs a little more time.